Hello everyone, and welcome to a new lesson. And today we're going to learn a new letter. What letter shall we learn today? Let's learn the letter V. V. This is the capital V. This is the lowercase v. V. The letter V makes the sound V. V, 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 van, 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 vase, 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 vegetables, 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 violin, 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 volcano, 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 vacuum cleaner, vacuum cleaner, vacuum cleaner. This is the letter V. 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 Let's write it down. Let's try it again. V. V. Can you find these words? Let's find them. Van. Van. Are you ready? Go! Good job! Can you find the word volcano? Excellent! Can you find the word vase? Good job! Can you find the word vegetable? Excellent! Can you find the word violin? Excellent! Good job! I hope you will enjoy the video, and if you want to keep on learning and having fun with us, click like, subscribe. It's Teacher Alice and it's English for Fun. See you next time. Bye bye for now.